Hello, dear students. Good morning. We are reading the formation of Europe and the nationalism in Europe. In that connections, today we will know about the time of 1848, the revolution of the revolts. These revolutions was led by middle class peoples. I have told about the group of middle class peoples, teachers, doctors, industries, educated peoples. They comes in the middle class. They wanted to establish nation states. About nation states, I have also told you. They wanted parliamentary principles as constitutions, freedom of press, freedom of associations. In German region, political associations were middle class professionals, and these middle class professions, they want to constitutions, freedom of press, and freedom of associations. They decided to know vote all German Nation Party. 18 May 1848, 831 members were elected and they drafted a constitution for German peoples. Parliament became dominant by the middle class. In other words, you can say now the power came in the hands of the people of middle class. When the people of middle class, when they got powers by the elections, then they made a mistakes. They did not fulfill the demand of workers and artisans. They forget about the workers and artisans. Because of the help of these peoples, they got the powers. They were elected. But unfortunately, they did not pay attention about these peoples. So workers and artisans became angry with them. When workers and artisans became angry with them, the result is troops, means army, finish the National Assembly. National Assembly, National Party had been finished by the armies. In this way, once again, the power of middle class peoples had finished, but these events make some changes. We will look here. After these events, kings made some rules to control peoples. Serfdom and bonded labor was abolished. सर्फडम और बॉन्डेड लेबर को फिनिश कर दिया गया. Granted autonomy to the Hungarians. These two major changes happens after the revolution of the revolts. And after this, what happened in the society, we will look that in our next video. For that, thank you. Best of luck.